Hello all my beautiful sisters from those other misters, welcome back to my channel. It is time to ask ourselves, was that haul worth it? And also talk about my monthly purchases, beauty purchases for November of 2022. So I think what I want to do, this is going to be a short one guys, short and sweet. There's not been a whole lot going on in the months of November, although my 2020 purchases in November, there was a bit, but my 2021 purchases in November consisted of just one thing, and I no longer have it because I used it up. That is like, I am so fucking proud of that. I know it sounds a bit like dicky, like why are you proud of that? But I am proud of that because that's kind of my goal with, rehabbing myself from, my beauty consumption in the past. Buying something and then using it and finishing it up in the year is, fucking life goals for beauty junkie like me. So the item that I purchased, get ready to laugh because you'll be like, God, Hailey, that's not a difficult thing to achieve. It was the Ikea Vinter candle. I purchased that in November of 2021 and then I used it over the Christmas period and, I finished it. Yay. So obviously I don't have the candle anymore. And don't shame me for being proud of my achievement for actually finishing that up in a timely manner. It is an achievement for me, okay? I know it is. I know I have very bad or had very bad purchasing habits in the past with beauty products and things like candles. And I've been working very hard to change that about myself, and I have come leaps and bounds over the years. I'm still not perfect, but I'm making progress, and that's always the goal. Now, the IKEA candle, I purchased it because it was a pine scented candle and I love Christmas, and that year we did not have a real Christmas tree and I thought, this might fill the gap. But the issue was that the scent throw was just kind of crap. It wasn't very good. If I sat right next to it, I could get a whiff of it, but I don't typically like to sit right next to a candle because if I'm doing that, then I'm usually at my desk working or something like that, and I have a tendency to, like, when I'm working, I'll go to reach for something and I'll like knock over a fucking glass, or I'll knock something off my desk or whatever, and that can happen to candles as well. So when I'm working, I typically don't like to burn a candle right next to me because I'm clumsy apparently. And I guess if you've watched or if you watch a lot of my content, you probably heard, how I spilt shit on my laptop, or I spilt something on this, or I spilt something. Like, it's bad. I got the clumsy hands around the expensive technology, apparently. Anyway, so the IKEA candle, I would say not my fave. Loved the scent, it just didn't have the scent throw that I'm personally looking for in a candle. And look, I don't buy candles for like the sake of just buying candles or the ambiance. I buy them for home fragrance. So I want them to fill my whole house, or at least the room that they're burning in. I want them to be punchy with their fragrance. For me, like I said, first and foremost, they are a home fragrance. Everything else that they bring, like ambiance of burning a candle, nice flickering flame, really pretty, I love that vibe, or a really beautiful vessel that it's in, those are bonus Jonas moments for me. But priority number one is it has to have good scent throw. It has to be a good home fragrance, and I personally did not feel like the IKEA candle was a good home fragrance, so I would likely not buy them in the future. Whenever I'm at IKEA and I'm near the candles and I can smell them, I'm like, maybe I just need to try a different type. Maybe some of them are good, but I'd probably be more inclined to simply try a completely different brand when I'm next ready to buy candles. I probably wouldn't go to Ikea looking for them. I probably just enjoy that moment when you're walking through the market hall and you get to smell the candles. Moving on to my purchases of November 2022, I just got one thing. Just one thing that consists of 3 things. Nobody is surprised. Not a single soul is surprised that I bought this. I'm sure many of you know I do not need to buy this. I just wanted it. It's limited edition. And I thought I wouldn't be able to get it because it was so expensive on, was it Cult Beauty? I think I found it on Cult Beauty first. And, was it? I don't know. No, it wasn't Cult Beauty. Where was it? Oh, I don't know. I don't even care. Who cares? I found it on a website and the currency conversion was just absurd. It was going to be like $80 or $90 or something. I'm like, I'm not fucking paying that. Like, I'm just not. And then Space NK got them. And it was actually really, you know, reasonable price. And they had, I think, 15% off at the time. So I bought it. Yay. I'm happy. I got it. I actually want to crack into this, and I'm just now realizing I haven't even told you what it is, because I feel like, you know, if you're watching me, you probably already know. It's the Farmacy Beauty Holiday Party Green Clean Trio. So it is a trio of their cleansing balms in limited edition scents, and they are just like the mini tubs, or not the mini tubs actually. They're just the smaller tubs that they make. So these are 50 ml tubs, sorry. So the first one that I have here is, oh, do you really not have the name of it? Oh, yes, you do. Okay, it's Pear Punch. So we'll open that up, have a look. Hello? Wow, really? Okay, there we go. Just a little bit of scent, like the tiniest amount. That does not have a strong scent at all, which is kind of sad. I'm crying. Oh, you can kind of smell it when you mix it in, but no. Farmacy, why? It smells a little bit like raw ingredients with like the slightest hint of pear. It did take off that lip liner swatch though. I don't know if you guys saw that on my hand before I started rubbing it in. Yeah, the scent of that one is pretty lame. What was it called? Pear Punch. It's not a punch at all. It was a pear. Next we have Blueberry Burst. There we go. Oh god, don't be disappointing. This one I can smell more, and it actually smells legitimately like blueberries. I'm quite impressed with that. The scent is not overwhelming, but it's stronger than the pear, and it smells like fresh blueberries, which is nice. And the last one is Tangerine Twist. Oh, it's so subtle, it's like offending me. It smells like tangerine, which is nice, fresh tangerine, but it's very, very subtle. Maybe ever so slightly stronger than the pear, but not as strong as the blueberry, and even the blueberry is not strong at all. It's okay. It's fine. I'm not, you know, wildly disappointed. I buy these because I love the formula. This is one of my, no, not even one of, it is my favorite solid cleansing balm formula. Just the way that it breaks down makeup and it like emulsifies and washes away clean off the skin. It's my favorite formula, so, you know, it's a no-brainer that I would be excited to buy, you know, some little fun scents that they release throughout the year. I am glad that I got this, but I mean, they could up the fragrance a little bit. Although, look, to be fair, I think Farmacy, oh, and there's a spoon in there, handy dandy. I've got a million of them. I think Farmacy they're not trying to, you know, bring us intensely fragranced products, and all of their cleansing balms have been, you know, mildly fragranced, all of the scented ones that I've purchased anyway. But I guess I would like a little bit more, but I'm not going to complain, because some people would not want that. They would want very subtle, and that's fine. It's fine. They wanted to make subtle fragrances, so they did. I definitely 110% need to start working on some of my Farmacy cleansing balms though, because I have a lot of them, and some of them have little to no use. So, you know, that's a problem. Although I was doing a great thing when I bought my Ikea Vinter candle and I finished it up in a timely manner, I am still making bad purchasing decisions with other products in my life. But it's limited edition. I can't help it. Like, FOMO. I have FOMO. So that's it for my November 2022 purchases and recapping my November 2021 purchases. I will let you guys know that I'm on like a money saving journey at the moment. Or not really a journey, but like a kick. I'm trying to like save money. As I've mentioned in other videos, and did I mention in this video? I don't know. I'm moving in January, and you know, it's been expensive planning that. And I have had an expensive year. I've had, you know, like doing stuff around the house, replacing a hot water service, which was expensive, and that's fine. Replacing a sink that was expensive and in my heart does not feel fine. I feel like I got a bad deal on that, or I accepted a bad deal on that. That's totally my fault. But I'm kind of focused on saving money at the moment, so I'm not really like, not only do I not feel like I want to buy any beauty products, I know I don't need any beauty products, but I've kind of got my eye on other goals at the moment, so I'm kind of thinking maybe I want to do like a no buy next year, or a low buy. I feel like maybe a no buy is like I'm setting myself up for failure. I don't know. I'm thinking about it, or maybe it'll just be like certain areas of my collection. So that's it for my November 2022 purchases and recapping my November 2021 purchases. I will be back next month with the last one for the year, the last video in this series for the year. I don't think I'm going to buy anything. I'm kind of in like money saving mode at the moment. And I don't have my eye on anything, but listen, like, you never know what's going to happen. But right now I don't think there's anything that I'm going to buy, and I haven't purchased anything that I'm expecting. So that'll probably be a short and sweet video as well, because I think I'll just be updating what I bought in December 2021, which wasn't much. So yeah, I'll be back in December with that, and I am also going to do ranking my 2022 purchases, which I've been doing for a couple of years now, and I quite enjoy that. So I will be back in December to do that with you guys. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, also, what day is this video going up? Is it, what day is it? Yeah, I'll tell you now. So the last couple of years I've been kind of doing Vlogmas, which is like a video every day in the lead up to Christmas. I'm not going to do it this year. I am going to do, there's going to be extra content, but I'm not going to do like a video every day, because my life is full at the moment. It is full to capacity, and I'm not going to make it more difficult for myself. There's going to be a couple of like, you know, festive shopping vlogs. I am going to have my inventory videos, like collection and inventory videos, which will all be uploaded like days in a row in the lead up to Christmas. I think there'll probably be like 7 or maybe 7 videos there. Yeah, there'll be content, obviously, and probably a little bit extra content here and there, but there won't be a video every day. But that's okay, because sanity is important, and I'm trying to plan a move to like WA, so it's like there's a lot going on in my life. I'm gonna leave that there. I'm going to leave it there. Let me know what you guys purchased in November. If you can remember what you purchased in November of last year, let me know how that stuff's going. And feel free to let me know if there is, in fact, an Ikea candle that has amazing scent throw that is primo and I should consider buying it in the future, because let's be real, they're cheap and affordable candles, and if there is one that's absolutely superior and it's worth trying, then I'm open to it. I just know that the Vinter candle wasn't quite it for me, unfortunately. All right, guys, I'm going to leave that there. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.